Have you ever felt like the older brother in the story of the prodigal son? The one who stayed home and worked faithfully, but get angry when his father celebrates the return of his younger brother. Ang unfair naman talaga kasi, 'di ba? Parang I did everything right, he did everything wrong. Why does he get the celebration? But perhaps we miss something in this story. Remember that Jesus narrates this story in front of tax collectors, publicans, sinners, and Gentiles, habang nakikinig ang mga Pharisees. Many people focus on the story of the younger brother who left and returned. But Jesus also tells a story that confronts the heart of the righteous people who struggle to accept God's grace towards the sinners. The older brother represents that kind of heart. He is physically present but his heart is far from the Father. Sabi niya, Lo, this many years do I serve thee, neither transgress I at any time thy commandment. He is more focused on fairness than grace. Di niya maintindihan kung bakit sineselebrate nung papa niya yung pagbabalik ng Swail na anak. Sabi niya pa, but as soon as this thy son has come, pansin niyo, hindi niya tinawag na my brother was come. Sabi niya, yung anak mo, you see, resentment can make us distance ourselves from the people whom God is trying to restore. He compared his obedience with his brother's failure. But his father's response shows the difference between earning love and receiving love. The father wasn't celebrating the youngest son's rebellion. He's celebrating the return in the repentance. Sumagot siya dun sa anak, sabi niya, for this my son was dead, and is alive again. He was lost, and is found. The truth is, the older son is lost too, but in a different way. One was lost through rebellion, the other lost through self-righteousness. One said, give me what I deserve. Then the other said, give me what I have earned. That's why the father went out on both of them. The father didn't only run toward the younger son, he also went outside to plead with the older son. Sometimes we're too focused to become a good Christians that we forgot that tayo din, we are only saved by grace. We may serve God, obey Him, do everything right, attend church, but we became secretly bitter when God shows mercy to someone who we think doesn't deserve it. We forgot that the gospel is not just about justice, but more on grace. Shalom.